for the influencers that be on the internet acting fake as fuck, stop making like the rich white wealthy like 1% more rich. Can we normalize like females like me who get money and like are just as important and pretty and cute and special and awesome and amazing as like the women who have vines going up and down their, you know what I'm saying, like backdrop and chill at their little vanities and their little pink gaming chairs? I don't follow trends. Like, I'm a trend setter. You feel me? Like, all this mob wives aesthetic. Me and my family, like, we've been having leopard print. We've been having fur coats. Like, we've been having mob wives aesthetic. My baby father's name is Tony, Fat Tony. You feel me? Like, where you been at? We been lit. We been popping. Italian women been fire. Normalize thick, juicy, big, beautiful, healthy women. Like, I walk every single day, 3 miles a day. I drink my water. I take my vitamins. I eat my little lettuce. I'm just as pretty and poppin' as Black China. And for the people that are like, oh, that woman who said if you don't have your teeth done, your butt done, your boobs done, you ain't crap. She wasn't wrong, because like I'm getting my teeth done, because even though nobody don't talk about like me in a negative sense, especially not my teeth, if they do say anything, they might say, oh, she has stretch marks. Okay, number one, I had 3 C-sections, so of course I do. I have a 19-year-old. Actually, matter of fact, happy birthday to my son Donovan. Today is his 19th birthday. So if y'all don't know, y'all better get to know. Like, yes, I look damn good for having a damn 19-year-old. Period. But like I was saying, every single person gets the same 24 hours. And like, nobody is more important than the next. It's just that y'all on the internet bully people and don't blow people up unless they have veneers. I have watched Sunny Christina, God bless her, I love her, make 2 to 5 grand every couple of hours battling on TikTok. None of these influencers have worked or put in their little 9 to 5, and that's fine. I'm not hating or shading nobody. But at the end of the day, when she said you're not a baddie if she's right, because I'm definitely a baddie. Like, I've been working 2 and 3 jobs for almost 2 decades, fully self-supporting as a woman and a mother, and I don't get no clout or recognition. I used to get recognition on this app. I had 16K followers until y'all kept reporting me, not realizing that I was just trolling. I was just being a comedian and be funny. But like, even on my YouTube channel, y'all be like, oh, not realizing that it's satire. So now I don't add people that request me unless I check them out and they seem all right. Like, I'm okay with my little 2K followers right now, because at least I know I'm not continuously getting reported and I can go live whenever I so choose. But like, Shorty was right, because unless you have, like, I have a cute body for having 3 kids. I have a nice little shape on me. And y'all still be trying to bully me, talking about get a BBL, get a BBL, get a BBL, get a BBL. And this has been going on for like at least 2 years. Not that I give a flying. But it's just the principle. Y'all did that. We didn't do that.